I'm Teiki, Chevalier. I wrap crystals, make bracelets, and play music. The flute and the steel tongue drum is my favorite. That's what I play with. Why? Because it just hits my heart. It's very powerful. And my instruments are tuned to 432 hertz as well. So it really hits my heart, you know, every time. And it's very therapeutic.
What role does creativity and intention play in your spiritual practice?
Keeping me going. Being creative is just therapy for me. It's motivating. Creating, especially when you can create for the community as well and give back, it's motivating. Keeps me going.
How long have you been playing sports for?
Before the wheelchair, I played soccer. I was a soccer team, a runner, cross country. But in the wheelchair, this is my first season, so I'm fresh, new to the sport. That's why I'm excited to have my own chair, because it's a big change having your measured chair. It's like you have to be one with your chair. And right now I'm using someone else's chair and it's a little bit bigger. I mean, I'm still appreciative that he's letting me borrow his chair, but
Of course.
it changes a lot when you have your own measured.